Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make an EA account. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a EA app installed on your PC or laptop. Open the app, then click on Create Account. It will first ask for your country and date of birth. Just fill those in, then click Next. Next, enter your email address, create a unique EA ID, and set a strong password. Make sure to write down your details somewhere safe, like in your phone notes or on your paper. Once done, just click Next. Now choose your profile visibility. You can set it to everyone, friends, or private. After that, check the box to accept the user agreement. Then click Create Account. And after that, EA will now send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, find the code, and enter it into the EA app. After confirming everything, click Finish. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.